Today I'm going to give you a tour of the White Rabbit Museum in Barcelona. Hi, I'm Lolly and welcome to my channel where I explore holiday destinations, review our days out, whilst giving my top tips to have the best time with kids and teens. Now, when I planned our Barcelona trip, I hadn't actually planned for us to visit here, but I'd booked La Pedra and it was pouring with rain, so the rooftop was closed, which one of the things I really wanted to see. So they let us change to a different day, and that meant that we had therefore had some free time before our booked dinner reservation. Now, we'd already walked past this museum, so we thought, we'll come back and give it a go. We got tickets on the door, or you can use their QR code. They only let so many people on at once, so the areas inside actually aren't busy at all, which you will see. We didn't know what to expect, but as I hope you will see as you watch it, it was a fantastic museum for our kids and teens. It's really interactive. You get to listen to stuff, watch stuff, join in with stuff, and it's just there's just lots of unusual fun things to do. I'll let you watch as we go through the museum. There's also lots and lots of photo opportunities too. They do have lockers for your bags and coats if you want, and there are toilets before you go through. There is a fab little gift shop at the end and a small cafe. It's definitely worth a visit here, especially if it's raining. We really recommend it. Please do check out my other Barcelona vlogs for best things to do, and we also visited PortAventura theme park, which was brilliant, so please subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.